Scientists have detected strange, chaotic signals from the edge of the solar system. What exactly has Voyager 1 encountered? Launched 47 years ago, Voyager 1 has been traveling through interstellar space after leaving the heliosphere, the boundary of the solar system. Most of its scientific instruments have long been shut down, with only the basic communication systems still functioning. However, near the boundary between the heliosphere and the heliopause, particle streams have been colliding at an astonishingly high speed, with temperatures reaching between 30.000 to 50.000 degrees Celsius, resembling a fiery wall at the edge of the solar system. Fortunately, the density of these plasma waves is extremely low, meaning they don't pose a direct threat to the spacecraft. Yet, something strange happened. Voyager 1 began sending back bizarre signals, an eerie, faint buzzing sound, something between the flapping of wings and the patter of light rain. But in the vast emptiness of space, where no air or rain exists, where could this sound be coming from? Did Voyager 1 accidentally drift into an alien world? Or did it somehow slip into another dimension? According to astronomers at Cornell University, these mysterious sounds are actually continuous noise produced by interstellar plasma waves. The outer boundary of the solar system contains a vast ocean of plasma. Since Voyager 1's instruments are designed to detect plasma waves, magnetic fields, and particle interactions, they picked up the signals of these waves as sound. Under normal conditions, this plasma noise resembles the sound of light rain, but when radiation levels intensify, it can sound like thunder during a powerful storm. While plasma interference is common within the solar system, astronomers were surprised to find such strong plasma radiation even at its outer edge. This discovery confirms that Voyager 1 has indeed entered interstellar space, the chaotic boundary where solar radiation meets cosmic radiation. However, something even more baffling happened next. Voyager 1 started transmitting completely incomprehensible binary code that scientists were unable to decipher. It was as if the spacecraft was sending messages in an unknown language. NASA had no choice but to send a special reboot command to the probe. In March 2024, after the reboot, scientists finally confirmed that the issue was caused by a damaged chip, likely destroyed by high-energy cosmic radiation. Following an update to Voyager 1's software algorithms, the spacecraft resumed sending readable signals back to Earth. However, one thing is certain: this won't last forever. Voyager 1 runs on radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, and by 2030 at the latest, its power supply will be completely depleted. As we inch closer to Voyager 1's inevitable silence, its journey continues to reveal the hidden mysteries of the universe, right up until its last whisper from the void.